Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to rotate a video inside a native macOS application with Swift using AVMutableComposition. So first of all I will show you the output. So here I have my app running, so I'll just enlarge this. I have this button called play video. If I click on it, it opens the video picker. Here from this you can select any file. I only have one file over here, as you can see. As soon as I click on it, and once we get the valid URL for this selected video, I immediately rotate this video by 90 degree. You can rotate it by any degree, whatever you feel like. I have just hard coded 90 degrees in my code, but change it to whatever you feel like. And once it has rotated, then it will start playing inside our video player. Now this transformation might take little bit of time depending on how big your video is, so be patient. I have selected a very small video so that it happens pretty quickly for us. If you want, you can display a progress bar as well. So as you can see, it has rotated the video for us. And if I show you my downloads directory, here you can see I only have one MP4 file. If I click on save video, it saves the transform video inside our downloads directory as well. So that's what we will be checking. So first, create a native macOS application. I am using UI app kit, but if you want, you can use Swift UI as well. Then inside sign in and capabilities, I have added this user selected file as read only and downloads folders read/write permission. Then inside view controller, I have imported AV kit. Then I have taken an AV player and two buttons and one final URL variable as well. Here we are initializing our AV player. Here we are initializing play button, and I have added one click listener as well. Here I have initialized our save button, and here I am added click listener for save as well. Then I am added NS layout constraints for our player view, one for play button and one for save button as well. Then so let's look at play video first. So once the play video button is clicked, we are opening our file picker using the NS open panel, and here we are filtering it by videos, and the selection limit is only one. Multiple selection is false. Once we get the URL, we send the URL to our transformed method, which will help us to rotate, and once that gives us the updated URL, we just initialize our AV player, assign it to our player view, and start playing the video. So if you see the transform method, we are taking hold of file manager and AV URL asset, then of the video. Then we are getting the natural size. If the height is equal to the width, then we can't rotate the video. We are returning it back. If it is not, then we are creating an AV mutable composition, creating a CM time make as well. And if the height is greater than width, we are square size is equal to width, otherwise it is equal to height. Then we are setting the render size. Then we are creating an AV mutable composition instruction. Here we are getting the duration of the video. We are inserting that duration inside the instruction.time range. Then we are creating an AV mutable composition layer instruction. Here we are creating our CA affine transform. Then as you can see over here, I have hard coded the 90 degrees. So double.pi is 180, 180 divided by 2 is 90. So here you can change to whatever you feel like. And here I have created our CA affine transformation, CG affine transformation. Then we are setting that transformation to our transformer, then passing it to our layer instruction, and then instruction to our instruction of video composition. We are creating an export path as well, an export URL. If file already exists, then I'm deleting that file. Then we are creating an AV asset export session, assigning video exporter.video composition to our video composition. Then we create an output URL out of it, then output file type as well, and then we just call exporter.export. and here I have just take a final URL and return the final URL back. So if you so that's it. Now if you see the save video code, so firstly I'm getting hold of our downloads directory. So and if the final URL is not equal to null, then we create a destination URL with the last path component of our final URL, and if the file does not exist, we are returning back. If the file with same name already exists inside downloads directory, we are deleting it, and here we are then moving our final URL file to our destination URL, which is the downloads directory. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.